Are you ready to make some serious cash? Because today, we're not just talking about any stocks, we're talking about two absolute no-brainers that have Warren Buffett's stamp of approval. These are the kinds of investments that can help you sleep easy at night, knowing your money is working hard for you. If you know anything about Buffett, you know he doesn't just throw his money at any company. He looks for businesses with strong fundamentals, proven track records, and the potential to deliver steady returns for years to come. That's right, we're talking about companies that are absolutely crushing it in their respective industries. First up, we've got a global powerhouse that's changing the game in a massive way. Think cutting-edge technology, think worldwide impact, think huge growth potential. This company is at the forefront of innovation, shaping the way we live, work, and connect with each other. And for our second pick, we're looking at a legendary conglomerate that's about as stable as it gets. This company has its hands in everything. And I mean everything. From insurance to energy, railroads to consumer goods, they've built a diversified empire that generates consistent cash flow no matter what the market is doing. It's the kind of stock you can hold for decades and watch your wealth grow. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one, all the way till the end. I'm going to break down exactly why these companies are so special, what makes them Buffett favorites, and how you can get in on the action before the rest of the market catches on. Smash that like button right now. Let's get 1,000 likes on this one. Share the video with your friends, and let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next market-moving stock pick. First up, let's talk about a global powerhouse that's not just participating in the electric vehicle revolution, but actively shaping its future. The electric vehicle and battery industry is evolving at a breakneck pace, and there's one company that's consistently at the forefront of this transformation. That company is BYD, ticker symbol BYDDY. While many people know BYD as a leader in China's EV market, what's truly remarkable is how they've become a global innovator, setting trends and standards that others are scrambling to follow. Their influence stretches far beyond China's borders, impacting the entire automotive landscape. Let's break down why Warren Buffett, one of the most respected investors in history, has been backing BYD for years. His support isn't just a passing interest, it's a testament to the company's long-term vision and potential. When Buffett puts his money behind a company, you know there's something special going on. And for investors, that's a signal worth paying attention to. Now you guys know I love cars, fast cars, flashy cars, you name it. But BYD? They're not just making cars that look good or go fast, they're redefining what it means to drive electric. Their vehicles combine style, performance, and sustainability in a way that's truly next level. BYD isn't just building electric cars, they're building the future of transportation itself. Their design teams are pushing boundaries with sleek, aerodynamic shapes and interiors packed with the latest tech. Under the hood, their battery technology is setting new benchmarks for range, safety, and charging speed. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey, knowing you're driving one of the most advanced vehicles on the road. But here's the kicker, BYD isn't some small startup trying to make a name for itself. They're already a giant in China, which happens to be the world's largest and fastest-growing electric vehicle market. Their presence is everywhere, from bustling city streets to massive production facilities that churn out vehicles at an astonishing rate. I'm talking millions of cars on the road, people. Millions! And the momentum is only building. Every year, more drivers are making the switch to electric, and BYD is right there to meet the demand, rolling out new models and expanding their reach. BYD's ambitions don't stop at China's borders. They're expanding globally, taking on industry heavyweights like Tesla, Volkswagen, and more. With new factories popping up in Europe, South America, and other key markets, BYD is bringing their electric revolution to every corner of the globe. Their strategy is clear: become a dominant force in every major market and make electric vehicles accessible to everyone. So, why is Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, so bullish on BYD? It's simple. He sees the massive potential for growth, innovation, and long-term value. Buffett isn't known for chasing trends. He invests in companies with solid fundamentals and a clear path to future success. BYD checks all those boxes and then some. He sees a company that's not just riding the wave of the electric vehicle boom, but leading the charge. The world is going electric and BYD is at the forefront, setting the pace for everyone else. Their vehicles are becoming a common sight on highways and city streets, and their influence is only growing. Governments around the world are pushing for cleaner energy, setting ambitious targets for reducing emissions, and offering incentives for electric vehicle adoption. Gas prices are through the roof, making electric vehicles more attractive than ever. Consumers are demanding sustainable options, and BYD is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this global shift. They're not just following trends, they're helping to create them. One of BYD's biggest strengths is their vertical integration. They control every step of the process, from designing and manufacturing their own batteries to assembling the final vehicles. This gives them a huge advantage in terms of cost, efficiency, and quality control. While other automakers rely on third-party suppliers, BYD keeps everything in-house, ensuring that every component meets their exacting standards. And let's not forget about their battery technology. This is where BYD truly shines. They're pioneers in developing safe, affordable, and incredibly powerful batteries, not just for cars but for buses, trucks, and even large-scale energy storage systems. Their lithium iron phosphate batteries are known for their safety, longevity, and environmental friendliness, qualities that are becoming increasingly important as the world transitions to clean energy. Imagine a future where entire cities are powered by clean, renewable energy stored in BYD's advanced battery systems. That's not science fiction, it's a vision that's quickly becoming reality. BYD's innovations are making it possible to store solar and wind energy on a massive scale, helping to stabilize power grids and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. This is the kind of game-changing technology that gets Warren Buffett excited, and it should get you excited too. But it's not just about the technology. BYD has a proven track record of success. Year after year, they've been growing their revenue and profits, even in the face of global economic uncertainty. Their financial discipline and strategic vision have allowed them to weather storms that have tripped up other companies in the industry. And with their aggressive expansion plans and unwavering commitment to innovation, the future looks incredibly bright for BYD. They're investing heavily in research and development, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in electric mobility. Whether it's new vehicle models, improved battery chemistries, or smarter manufacturing processes, BYD is always looking for the next big breakthrough. This is a company that's built to last, a company that's changing the world, one electric vehicle at a time. If you're looking for a way to invest in the future of transportation, BYD is a name you need to know. They're not just making cars, they're making history. And as the world continues to shift toward clean energy and sustainable mobility, BYD is poised to lead the way, creating opportunities for investors and a better future for us all. Next up on our list is a company that needs no introduction for seasoned investors. But if you're new to the world of stocks, it's time to meet the legendary Berkshire Hathaway, ticker symbol BRKB. This isn't just another name on the stock exchange. This is a company that has become synonymous with long-term wealth creation and financial security. At the helm of this financial juggernaut is none other than Warren Buffett, a name that's become almost mythical in the world of investing. Buffett's reputation as a master of value investing and his uncanny ability to spot opportunities where others see risk have made Berkshire Hathaway the ultimate diversified conglomerate. Berkshire Hathaway is a fortress of value and stability, with its roots deeply embedded in some of the most essential sectors of the economy. From insurance giants like GEICO, to sprawling railroad networks like BNSF, to massive energy operations under Berkshire Hathaway Energy, this company is built to weather any storm. So why is Berkshire Hathaway still considered a no-brainer buy for investors, even after all these years? The answer lies in its unique combination of diversification, prudent management, and a relentless focus on long-term value. Now let's switch gears for a moment. We've talked about the fast-paced, high-risk world of electric vehicles and tech startups, but Berkshire Hathaway is a different beast entirely. This is a company that's been meticulously built, brick by brick over decades, an empire shaped by the steady hand of Warren Buffett. Unlike the flashy tech companies that promise to revolutionize the world overnight, Berkshire Hathaway is grounded in reality. It's a company built on solid foundations, smart investments, and a vision that stretches far beyond the next quarter or even the next year. Here, patience and discipline are the name of the game. Think of Berkshire Hathaway as the Rock of Gibraltar in the stock market. It's been around for generations, surviving and thriving through recessions, market crashes, inflation, and every economic challenge you can imagine. Through it all, Berkshire has consistently delivered value to its shareholders, proving that slow and steady really does win the race. But what exactly does Berkshire Hathaway do? That's the beauty of a conglomerate. It does a little bit of everything and then some. Berkshire is like a microcosm of the entire American economy, with interests spanning insurance, transportation, utilities, manufacturing, retail, and more. For example, in the insurance sector, Berkshire owns GEICO, one of the largest auto insurers in the United States. In transportation, it owns BNSF, a railroad network that's critical to the nation's supply chain. And in energy, Berkshire Hathaway Energy is a major player in both traditional and renewable power generation. These are not just side businesses, they are industry leaders in their own right. But the list doesn't stop there. Berkshire's portfolio includes household names like Duracell, the battery brand that powers millions of devices, and Dairy Queen, a beloved ice cream and fast food chain. From industrial equipment to clothing, from real estate to furniture, Berkshire Hathaway's reach is truly staggering. This incredible diversification is one of the main reasons why Berkshire is considered such a safe haven for investors. When one sector of the economy faces headwinds, another is often booming. This balance helps smooth out the bumps and provides a level of stability that's almost impossible to find in a single industry company. But let's not forget the secret ingredient, Warren Buffett himself. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett's investment philosophy is legendary. He's not just a CEO, he's a teacher, a mentor, and a role model for millions of investors around the world. His annual letters to shareholders are studied like sacred texts, filled with wisdom about patience, discipline, and the power of compounding. Buffett's approach is simple but powerful. Find undervalued companies with strong fundamentals, buy them at a fair price, and hold them for the long haul. He's not interested in chasing the latest fads or making a quick buck. Instead, he looks for businesses with durable competitive advantages, what he calls economic moats, that can protect profits for years to come. Over the years, this strategy has allowed Berkshire to build a portfolio of companies that generate consistent, reliable cash flow. This cash flow is then reinvested into new opportunities, creating a virtuous cycle of growth and resilience. It's a model that has stood the test of time, allowing Berkshire to weather economic storms and emerge even stronger. Some critics argue that Berkshire Hathaway is too big, too slow, or even too boring to deliver exciting returns. But here's the thing. In investing, boring is often beautiful. While others chase the next big thing, Berkshire quietly compounds wealth year after year, decade after decade. Berkshire Hathaway isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building wealth steadily, brick by brick, over a lifetime. It's about investing in companies that provide essential goods and services, things people need no matter what the economy is doing. These are businesses that will still be around, serving customers and generating profits for generations to come. In a world where markets can swing wildly from one day to the next, that kind of stability is truly priceless. It gives investors peace of mind, knowing that their money is working for them in a company built to last. So if you're searching for a stock that offers not just the potential for growth, but also the comfort of stability, look no further than Berkshire Hathaway. With its unmatched diversification, legendary leadership, and proven track record, it's a cornerstone investment for anyone serious about building long-term wealth. In the ever-changing world of investing, Berkshire Hathaway stands as the ultimate safe haven. There you have it, folks. Two incredible companies backed by the one and only Warren Buffett. Whether you're looking to ride the wave of the electric vehicle revolution with BYD or build long-term wealth with the stability of Berkshire Hathaway, these stocks offer something for every investor. So what do you think? Are you adding BYD or Berkshire Hathaway to your portfolio? Let me know in the comments below. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more epic stock market breakdowns. Until next time, happy investing.